Secrets of RVing and Social Security. How to enjoy the motorhome and RV lifestyle while living on your Social Security income. A #1 bestseller by Jerry Minchley. If you are lucky enough to find a way of life you love, you have to find the courage to live it. John Irving. Have you ever been driving down the road and met a motorhome and thought, wouldn't it be nice just to get into one of those RVs, leave all of the yard work or condo commotion behind, and travel, and just live carefree? Yeah, that would be nice if you could afford it, you might be thinking, but that lifestyle is for rich people. The truth is that motorhome and RV retirement living is one of the most enjoyable and least expensive ways to retire, and most people can afford it, even if their only income is their Social Security check. The purpose of this book is to give you the information to prove to you that this statement is true, and then to show you how you can make it happen. You can spend a lot of money living the RV lifestyle, but you don't have to. In this book, I'm going to give you the numbers and show you that you can do it all just on your Social Security income. This will include campground fees, gas, and all of your living expenses. With $1,000 a month income, you can make it happen. Many people spend less than that. In this book, I'll also talk about what's called boondocking, which means you are camping for free, and work camping, which is a way to do some volunteer work and get free camping and sometimes a salary in addition to free camping. Most RVers do these things part of the time, and some do them all of the time. This book covers all of this and more and gives you the inside information RVers are using to live the fun, adventurous, and carefree lifestyle called full-time RVing. RV life can be expensive if you travel every day, eat out all of the time, and do all of the tourist things. To keep your costs down, you have to remember that you're not on a permanent vacation. This is the way you live. By the way, the terms RV and motorhome are used interchangeably by most people. I will generally use the term RV throughout this book to describe both the towable and the drivable types of RV. Sometimes I will use the term motorhome just for variation. Another term to be aware of is the word towed. While boaters call the little boat that they tie behind their big boat a dinghy, RVers call the car they tow behind their motorhome a towed. After all, it is the car that's being towed. The appeal and dream of hitting the road has not changed much since the first RVs were introduced back around 1910. Freedom, adventure, fun, and relaxing are words RV owners frequently use to describe why they enjoy the RV lifestyle. For more information on this and other helpful RV books, click the link in the description below this video.